Hello and welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel, where we share tips and tricks in just a minute. Today, I'm gonna show you how to upload a TikTok video in a full screen mode. So first, open your TikTok app and log into your account. Then, on your homepage, click this plus button to record a video. Then, I will simply rotate my phone to record a wide view. So here's what we recorded. And as you can see, the video is tilted. So simply tap on the adjust clip, and here you can edit your video with different features offered, like adding music or cutting clips and so on. But since we want a full screen mode, select the video and click this to rotate. Then, save your edit, then the video is ready for uploading. Please like and subscribe for more content, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. We'll see you next time.